What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Vince here with 660 Street Performance, as always, bringing you the heat from the street. So I want to say, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for me. We'd love to have you as part of the family. So there's been a lot of anticipation for this new car reveal. Man, I've been getting a lot of DMs asking, what it is, wanting hints and stuff like that. So I'm just going to let you guys know, next Sunday, January the 3rd, Dad and I are going to reveal the new car. I promise you it's worth it. And if we have anybody who guessed the car right, we're also going to reveal the winner of our $50 gift card. Whether that be, you guys want a gift card to Summit or anything like that, or heck, you want to take your old lady out to eat or whatever, gift card, 50 bucks. So, with that being said, yesterday we went down to Mexico and did a little filming. We had a pretty anticipated race. Mustang on Mustang, one turbo versus supercharger. Things got out of hand. I'm glad everybody's okay. But hey, stick around, check the film out, drop down in the comment section, tell me what you guys think. Give me the thumbs up, man. And like I said, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me. Bell notification, it'll give you a notification anytime I post any new content, so you guys won't miss out on anything. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday afternoon.
go straight pitch.